One concept that like stuck with me, like from the reading, was the concept of like a niche nation, which I mean, as described in the text, is it's like how audiences are no longer like a single mass group that are being targeted with like media, and now it's like targeted more individually to like smaller audiences. That's like the niche part of it. Um, it's interesting though because it like kind of more pertains to like people like me. So like the whole concept of it is that if you're advertising like a video game, you would probably advertise that video game to people who already enjoy video games and people who you know are probably going to be interested in it rather than like trying to appeal it to like the entire nation of people from which it would probably receive a lot less attention than you would expect, as opposed to if you did a smaller, more targeted group, it would be more successful. Um, and then for the second one, the moment of shift or friction, for me, that was in class when you clarified like electronic media versus digital media. Because when we first kind of covered that, I was a little confused. But then when you kind of like described it to me as electronic media being like technologies like radio or television, like old radio and television, how it used to be more kind of like it basically used to be connected through electronic signals, whereas like digital media is like data based and more um like targeted towards like smaller groups of people via like social media. So that's like it's like phones, laptops, like streaming services, things like that. And then the personal media connection, uh, for me is the whole idea of like both niche nation and digital versus electronic, because I mean obviously I live in the modern era, and so the digital aspect of that is me constantly, scrolling on my phone or watching TikTok or something like that. And then the niche nation part being like how many ads I see a day targeted towards me and what I like, basically just based off of what I have been interested in on social media, which is very interesting.